found another crypto gaming project that is actually fun to play. I've downloaded the app and have been playing it recently. I think this project can do really well in a bull market. Welcome to the APY Guy channel. If you like passive income and you like low market cap gems that could possibly do a 50 to 100x in a bull market, then you're going to love this channel. So make sure you subscribe to it. Drop a like on this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. Nothing in this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. What is this project, you say? It is Playzap. This is a very interesting project. It is already ready to go. You can play multiple different games on here. The game that I've been playing is this pool blitz game. It's pretty fun to play. I downloaded it on my phone. Let's take a look at the price action currently. The market cap. The current market cap of this project is a little under 14 million, which is very small still. If we look at the last 30 days, it has gotten all the way up to over 55 cents. It's currently come down now to around 40 to 41 cents now. I think it can do a 50x, I believe. I'm not sure about 100x. If we're going to do a 50x, if it's at a $14 million market cap currently, 50x would be still under $1 billion market cap in the middle of a bull market with a game that's actually playable and fun. I think it's definitely a possibility. Let's take a look at the team here. Everybody on the team is doxed here. They have their LinkedIn profiles. You can click on them. There's quite a few different people working on this project. Okay, there's about 12 people, and they do have their LinkedIn profiles. You can click on those. Let's take a look at the games. Actually, partners, they actually are on KuCoin currently, and I believe Gate.io. They do have some other pretty good partners: Binance Smart Chain, Polka Bridge, EOS, and so forth. If we look at the games themselves, there's Bingo Match, like a matching game, probably like Candy Crush, Solitaire, the Pool Blitz game, Dice, Blackjack, like a Tetris-ish game, Bubble Shooter. So they're very simple games, but you can earn the Playzap token through playing the games. I've been playing the Pool Blitz, like I said, and it's a pretty fun game to play. There's tournaments where you can also earn the Playzap token. The Playzap token itself, it's PZP. The PZP token is the driving force behind every aspect of our ecosystem. Earn, trade, and utilize PZP to engage in tournaments, player versus player battles, acquire limited edition NFTs, participate in high stakes matches, and much more. Our native PZP token is the bedrock of true in-game utility, creating a rewarding and meaningful economy for our players. We've crafted a hybrid player experience to accommodate both Web 2 and Web 3 players, ensuring that everyone can enjoy a free-to-play model without any barriers and embrace the skill-to-earn format. For more details on token distribution and investing schedules, refer to here. The game is, obviously, you have to be decent at it to earn tokens. With the pool, it took me a little bit of time to catch on. Pretty good at pool to begin with, so I knew how to kind of play it, and I've won some matches. But yeah, you can buy PZP. If we look here, KuCoin, Gate.io, PancakeSwap, RocketX, and Transact. I've just been buying mine on PancakeSwap. It's the easiest way to do it, in my opinion. There is staking. The only problem is the capacity is currently full. So I'm looking into the Discord to see if there's any openings or if they're going to have new pools in the future. You just kind of got to watch this to see if anything opens up. Currently they're completely full. So we got to just kind of take a look and wait on that. The lock term on these pools is 120 days and 60 days. So I think some people have been, in these for a while. Will they pull their tokens out of staking? Who knows? So we got to kind of keep our eye on that. The project itself is not that old. I believe it started, if we take a look, let's see, May of 2023, April of 2023, I believe. Go to max. Yeah, I believe it's April of 2023 is when this project launched. So it has not been through a full bull market. Here's another short overview of their games. This is in their white paper. Our gaming app boasts an impressive collection of over 10 casual games that are tailored to the skill-based competitive format. Each of these games is carefully designed to provide an addictive and enjoyable gameplay experience for our players. Our team of developers have crafted these games with the intention of making them not only fun to play, but also easy to learn. However, they also offer a significant challenge, making them harder to master. This balance ensures that players can quickly get into the gameplay and start having fun, while also providing a deep and rewarding experience for those who invest time and effort into honing their skills. From engaging puzzle games to action-packed adventures, our diverse selection of casual games caters to a wide range of player preferences. Whether you're a fan of strategy, reflexes, or problem solving, there's something for everyone to enjoy in our game collection. So they kind of list them down here, the different IPs, block puzzle, pool blitz, stack ball, bounce hold destroy, nonstop arcade fun, solitaire pro, rocket blitz, bubble shooter, dice merge, blackjack, match master, bingo blitz, and more to come. So I think this is a good. I think this will do well. It's got a lot of players now, and I think it'll get more players in the future. I still think it's at a very low market cap. So this is a good one. Around $14 million market cap. Currently, I'm just going to keep watching their site to see if any staking opportunities open up. And I'm asking in the Discord. So I'll update you when I know. So if there's any gaming crypto projects that I have not covered, again, please leave them in the comments of this video. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.